Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at how you can sell and as well withdraw your hamster Kombat coin directly to your Nigerian bank account. So before I dive into this, if this is the first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do it to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos. Okay, so let's quickly begin. Before you can actually do this, make sure you have a verified Bybit account, because we're going to use Bybit account as a case study today. So all you just need to do is to come to your spot. If you come to your spot, you're actually going to navigate yourself to where this amazing coin is, which is called a hamster Kombat coin. In the past few days, we have seen how it has been ups and down. Okay, so let's withdraw what is ours. What you just need to do is to make sure you come to this very place to sell. There are two ways you can sell your hamster convert or change your hamster convert from hamster convert coins to USDT for withdrawal. All right. So you can come to this place to click on sell, or you go to your assets and look for convert here. You go to your assets and look for convert in order to what? To convert from hamster convert coin to USDT coin for withdrawal. Okay, these are two ways you're going to do that. If you click on sell now or click on this trade to change the trade, you're going to impute the volume of the hamster you have. I'm going to use all, which is actually going to be 35, but I'm going to use like let's say 15. I'm going to sell 15. That is 15 USDT worth of hamster. So I'm actually going to sell like 15. If you click on that, you're going to click on sell in order to sell. You can come to this place to like choose the market price. If you choose the market price here so that your trade can be executed instantly, okay, you can come to this place, click on it, then you change to market price. If you change to market price, you can come to this place to make your choice. Make your choice of how much you really want to sell. As I said earlier, I want to sell like 15 USDT because I'm going to withdraw 15 USDT and leave the rest to see what the feature of hamster will become. So that is it. So we're going to click on sell now to sell. So now that we have like successfully, so we're going to come to this asset. Why are we in the asset? We need to first move the USDT from the unified trading account to funding account. Okay, we're moving from this unified trading account to funding account, because whatever trade you want to make, if you want to withdraw your USDT, you must first convert, or you must first sell. After selling, you must first transfer, right? You must first transfer from the unified trading account to funding account where it can be visible for sales in the market. Okay, so I hope you are getting this clear and you are following up. If you do have any question, drop it in the comment sections and I will attend to you ASAP. So after the fund is being transferred, it's been transferred to funding account. We're gonna go into now like navigate ourselves to peer-to-peer transactions. Okay, because now that it's in USDT, we're going to go straight to peer-to-peer transactions to see what the market hold for us. So we're going to go back to the main menu, click on more. If you click on more, you're going to navigate yourself to where there is peer-to-peer transaction. That is peer-to-peer transactions. Okay, so now we are at peer-to-peer transaction, and our coin, our USDT already is on funding account, so it will be visible for us to trade right here. Okay, so we're gonna go into like trace who is we're gonna go into trace who is our match so that we can sell the USDT. So you're gonna go into click on sell. Since you're not buying now, you're gonna go into click on sell because we are selling now. If you click on sell, the next thing you just need to do is to look for your match. Okay, you can come to this place to filter with the volume you want to sell so that I can quickly find your match. But to me, I really want to go straight like this to keep checking, to keep checking until I found my match. Okay, so that I can get at least a reasonable price for my trade. So God so kind, I found my match here. So I'm gonna go into trade with this very person, though it's not online, but I'm willing to trade with him. So I'm gonna go into click on sell. So after clicking on sell, my USDT volume is gonna go into appear here. You can see it has appeared here. So I'm gonna go into impute my USDT volume, which is 15 USDT, on this very space, so that I can see how much I'm gonna going to earn with my 15 USDT, and the rate of this very person is 1773 naira. So I'm going to go into input my volume there now. So I will put my 15 USD. So putting my 15 USDT here, I'm going to get 26,600 naira in return. All right, I'm going to get 26,600 naira in return, right? So the next thing I will do is to click on this very arrow so that I can make a choice of the banks there, because it's going to go is bank transfer. So I'm going to make a choice of the banks that I want this my money to be transferred to, where I want this merchant to pay me, right? I hope you are getting this clearly. If you don't get it, don't worry, drop a comment at this comment sections, and I will attend to you ASAP. Okay, so I'm gonna going to do that now. So after doing that now, uh, let's do that together. So you can see I'm gonna going to choose this very information now. I'm gonna going to choose this very one. Okay, so I'll choose this very one right away, which my distance is already there. I've taken it. So I'm gonna going to click on sell. You can see I'm gonna going to click on sell now so that this buyer will be notified. Now the buyer says his payment duration is 30 minutes. Wow, which is very long, and he has a quantity of 50 USDT. You cannot buy above that, or you cannot sell to him above that. So I'm going to click on sell now, like right now. I'm going to click on sell. So clicking on sell now, I will have to wait a little. You are not a user from the country specified by the advertiser. Please take a look at another ad. Okay. Unfortunately, this person is not from my region, so I'm going to look for another person. Okay. So let me quickly do that now. So this is it. After you just click on sell, yeah, this is it. After you just click on sell, you're gonna go into wait, because you might have clicked your account number and the others already. So so after you click on sell, you're gonna go into hold on. All right, you're gonna go into hold on for this advertiser to pay 26,000, to pay 26,604.6 naira into your selected account. Then you can go ahead to release his USDT to him. Okay. So if you do have any question, do not forget, drop it at the comment sections and I will attend to you ASAP. So this brings me to the end of this very amazing content. If you do have any question, do not forget, drop it at the comment sections and I will attend to you ASAP. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.